Plan for the slow season now so your pest control business never scrambles for cash when demand drops. Start by mapping your seasonal cash flow using historical monthly revenue and expense data for at least the last 3 years to identify predictable downturn periods. Build a dedicated operating reserve equal to at least 3 months of fixed costs and replenish it monthly by allocating a percentage of revenue into a separate account. Offer prepaid annual plans priced to smooth revenue across 12 months so customers pay up front and you can cover slow months without borrowing. Cross-sell related services such as insulation, crawl space repair, rodent proofing, or wildlife exclusion that have different seasonal demand to keep crews billable year-round. Stagger major capital expenditures and negotiate vendor payment terms so large purchases do not coincide with the weakest quarter. If possible, lease equipment to preserve cash. Finally, model multiple scenarios quarterly so you can cut non-essential discretionary spending, adjust staffing with controlled overtime or part-time help, and use a short-term line of credit only as a bridge rather than a primary liquidity plan. Common mistakes include treating slow months as temporary and deferring reserve funding, which leaves you short when sales slump. Fix that by automating transfers into your reserve account every payroll cycle. Another issue is relying on a single revenue stream of seasonal services, which causes sharp dips. Address this by packaging year-round maintenance plans and adding cross-sold services that fill slow windows. A third problem is failing to negotiate vendor and financing terms so payables pile up during low cash periods. Proactively renegotiate payment schedules and set up a small revolving credit facility to cover timing gaps. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control, cash planning, and our community discussions let members share real-world strategies and vendor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling contractors to engage with homeowners and peers to grow steady, year-round revenue.